Did you know you can start making money on YouTube without reaching 1,000 subscribers? When used correctly, affiliate links on YouTube can be a great way to provide more value to your video viewers as well as earn some extra affiliate commissions on the side. The question now is, how can you use affiliate links on YouTube to provide more value to your viewers as well as earn extra affiliate commissions on the side? Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, we are going to be looking at why you should consider doing affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel, the types of affiliate links allowed on YouTube, and some different ways to add your affiliate links to your YouTube videos so your viewers can easily find it. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in starting and growing your YouTube channel as a solopreneur on a budget, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, obviously, there are many different ways of making money on YouTube, and one popular way of making money on YouTube is to combine your videos with affiliate marketing. So, if you have an active channel on YouTube and you like uploading regular videos about anything, you can turn your video viewers into consistent affiliate commissions for you. You can easily lead your video viewers to affiliate products that you promote. So why should you consider doing affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel in the first place? Well, for a start, with affiliate marketing as a small YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers, you'll be able to start monetizing your YouTube videos. As you probably know, the most common and popular way of making money on YouTube is with YouTube AdSense, the YouTube Partner Program. But the only problem of making money with YouTube AdSense is that YouTube allows only channels with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which clearly eliminates small channels. But with the ability to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, channels with less than 1,000 subscribers can now monetize their videos. Another reason why you should consider doing affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel is that it can open up direct partnership with relevant brands and businesses in your channel niche. That means, depending on the type of videos you're creating on your channel, you can start getting requests from bigger brands or businesses to make videos about their products on your channel for more higher payouts. Now, if you still do not know what affiliate marketing is all about and how you can use it to make money with the videos you upload on your channel, make sure to click on the video that pops up on the top right of this video. In that video, I explain what affiliate marketing is all about and the different affiliate marketing programs you can use to find and promote products that will make you extra affiliate commissions. Now, before we get into the different ways of adding affiliate links to your YouTube videos and channel as a whole, I'll first like to draw your attention to the types of links allowed on YouTube. The thing is, if you don't get your linking right on YouTube, your channel can easily get a community strike, which is something you want to avoid because 3 of those strikes will lead to the termination of your YouTube channel. Now, the reason YouTube doesn't like direct product affiliate links on their platform is because the links look spammy, they are long and cannot be differentiated with real spammy links. That's why YouTube encourages creators to use their own website links. Having a website with your own domain name is the best way to go with affiliate marketing on YouTube, and you'll see why later in this video. Even if you don't have the money for a self-hosted website, you easily make more money as a YouTube affiliate with a free website platform like the free WordPress platform, the free Wix platform, or the free Blogger blog platform. Platforms like this will increase your chances of making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. YouTube actually prefers links from such free platforms than links from products that affiliate networks offer. You also have the advantage of posting your video as content on the website, which gives you more space to add affiliate links or banners, which will lead to even more affiliate sales and commissions. Now, if you want to shoot straight and promote your affiliate offers without using a website, well, you still need to at least shorten the affiliate links before adding it to your videos. For Amazon affiliates, for example, there is already a link shortener you can use to shorten the links of any products you choose to promote on the platform. But for most affiliate programs, they don't have the link shortener feature. In that case, you can use any link shortener. On Bitly, for example, All you need to do is copy and paste your affiliate link in this box after registering for a free account and hit the enter button on your device, and a shortened version of the same link will be created. YouTube somehow prefers shortened links like this than the direct links that affiliate networks provide, but still, there is no guarantee with shortened links on YouTube. As you can see here, I sometimes use my website link to redirect interested viewers to an affiliate product sales page. I usually use a redirect plugin called Click Voodoo. I also sometimes link to posts that have affiliate links and banners on my website. Now that we have all that cleared up, let's now look at the different ways to promote affiliate links on your YouTube videos. The first way, of course, is linking in your video descriptions. Video descriptions on YouTube are used to describe a video content, which helps to improve search engines and direct viewers to other web pages online. You can easily link from your video description to a post or sign up page that offers more value to your video viewers. You want to always make sure when adding a link in the description area to add the full https:/ at the beginning of the link, because if you don't, the link won't be clickable. You also want to add your affiliate links after a couple of words at the beginning of your video description. That's also to avoid being looked at as a spammer. It's also important to know that you have to add an affiliate disclaimer in your video description because YouTube requires channels promoting affiliate offers to be compliant with the FTCP mandated practice. So you are free to copy the affiliate disclaimer below this video if you don't know how to write one. The next way to add clickable links or affiliate links to your YouTube video is in the comments area of your videos. Since YouTube allows links to be added in the comments area of every video, there is no reason why you shouldn't take advantage of that. YouTube creators are also allowed to pin any comment at the top of the comment section for more visibility. So you can easily create a comment and add a link in the comments area and pin that post at the top of the comment section. However, you should be doing so in a clear and non-spammy way. Another example might be when your viewers are asking for questions or wanting a recommendation, you can add your affiliate links to the comments that you reply to them. The community tab is another great way of adding affiliate links to your YouTube channel. The community tab on YouTube allows creators to post updates, create polls, share gifts, and interact with their subscribers and visitors. One other cool feature you might have noticed on the community tab is the ability to add clickable links, which means it's also an excellent place to add affiliate links. Here is an example of a post on my channel community tab promoting an affiliate link. YouTube cards, of course, is another place to add clickable links. Cards and end screens on YouTube direct viewers to specific videos, playlists, channels, website, merchandise, and crowdfunding campaigns. You can add up to 5 cards and 4 end screen card elements to any given video on YouTube. Having said that, affiliate marketing with YouTube cards is a little bit tricky because you can only promote your website and sites approved by YouTube. Many YouTube affiliates use the YouTube cards to direct their viewers to their website, which often contains affiliate links and banners. YouTube also supports some websites that have affiliate programs, including sites like Shopify, Etsy, and so on, which means it's possible to add affiliate links from specific websites on YouTube. The About page on YouTube is another cool area where you can sneak your affiliate link right into. Usually as a creator on YouTube, you are allowed to add up to 10 external links to your About page. Many creators add links to their sites and social media accounts. You just have to be careful that the links you are adding are related to your channel or your channel topic, of course to increase clicks and conversions. Take for example, if you are creating videos about cooking, you want to direct your viewers to products and services that have something to do with cooking. So as you can see, there are a variety of ways to put affiliate links to your YouTube video and YouTube channel. The question now is, are you up to the challenge to give it a try? And with all that, I'll call this video a wrap. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.
Yeah.